Hey guys, this is Sakib and I just created my own portfolio website within a minute with the latest DeepSeek AI, and let me show you how I did it. So at first, let's go through the website. We have a nice looking header here with the class morphism style. In the hero section, you can see the gradient text here, a button to view my previous work or some projects. Then if I scroll down a little bit, I have added some my core skills about the web development, app development, and we have also added the icons here. And we have also added some featured image here. As you can see, here's some nice animation. If I hover over to these images, we have also the hover effect on this core expertise here. As you can see, if I hover over any of the skills, it will give a nice animation. And then I have the contact form. So it's a single page portfolio website which you can use to showcase your talent, showcase your project to your clients. And the menus are also working. As you can see, if I click any of this menu, it will directly take me to that section of this page. Isn't it nice? So let me also quickly show you the code for this. Here's the code, HTML, CSS and JavaScript code to build that particular website, and I have done it within a minute. So you can also try the DeepSeek latest AI technology to create your own portfolio website. It will be fully custom made and absolutely for free. If you want this code, comment portfolio and I will send you the code of this project.